Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Ford F-150. First, park your truck on a level surface, approximately 25 feet from a flat wall. Make sure your tire pressure is properly set and your fuel tank is at least half full. This ensures an accurate starting point. Also, clean your headlight lenses thoroughly to get the clearest beam pattern. Finally, locate the adjustment screws on each headlight assembly. There will be one for vertical and one for horizontal aim. Now, let's prepare your aiming target on the wall. Measure the exact distance from the ground to the very center of your headlight bulbs. Transfer this measurement to the wall and create a horizontal line using painter's tape. Next, measure the distance between the centers of your two headlights. Use this measurement to mark two vertical lines on the wall, ensuring they align perfectly with each headlight center. These marks will guide your adjustments. With your marks in place, it's time for vertical adjustment. Turn on your low beam headlights. To focus, cover one headlight with a towel or cardboard. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, carefully turn the vertical adjustment screw. You want the top edge of the brightest part of the beam to align with or be just slightly below your horizontal tape line. Once one side is done, uncover it, cover the other, and repeat the exact same process for the second headlight. Finally, let's fine-tune the horizontal aim. Locate the horizontal adjustment screw, usually found close to the vertical one. Adjust the beam so the brightest part is centered directly on its corresponding vertical line you marked earlier. Ensure both headlights are aimed straight ahead, not crossing over or diverging outwards. After completing both adjustments, take your Ford F-150 for a short test drive at night to confirm the beams are effective and provide safe visibility without blinding oncoming drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.